2564-20 right angle impact 3/8 drive, 22 millimeter socket, lug nuts on a Cadillac SUV. I'm going to pass this off to the technician and let him break these loose. I got this one here moved to the rear wheel. Fresh wheel, not been touched. Still full battery. It is a 4XC. And of course, this is not for your lug nuts, of course. This is for tight spaces, but you can use it for whatever you would like to use it for. But that just goes to show you the torque that this does have. I want to say it's rated for 220 foot-pounds of torque, a breakaway. There is 3 settings plus the torque to yield or the fastening mode. It does not come with this protector on it. This is an aftermarket protector made by Milwaukee. So yeah, this is the, once again, this is the 2564-20. I tried to zoom in on it, but it's a little too shiny. So there you go. Takes lug nuts off. Easy.